In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll move around your canvas with confidence, whether you prefer keyboard shortcuts, your mouse or trackpad, or the on-screen tools and menus. Let's start with the fastest method, keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, use the Control key. On Mac, use Command. To zoom in, press Ctrl or CMD and the plus key. Depending on your keyboard, that may be the same key as the equal sign, so you might need to hold Shift to get the plus. To zoom out, press Ctrl or CMD and the minus key. These two shortcuts are great for quick, incremental zoom adjustments as you work. When you want to see your entire image centered and fitting perfectly in the workspace, press Ctrl or CMD and 0. If you need a true-to-size view for pixel-level precision, press Ctrl or CMD and the number 1 to jump to 100%, also known as actual pixels. These four shortcuts, plus, minus, 0, and 1, cover most zoom needs without ever touching the mouse. If you prefer the mouse or trackpad, there's a smooth, continuous way to control zoom. Hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, then scroll. Scroll up to zoom in, and scroll down to zoom out. On a trackpad, use a two-finger scroll while holding Ctrl or CMD. This is perfect when you want fluid control and the ability to fine-tune your zoom level on the fly. A quick tip: keep your cursor over the area you want to zoom toward. Affinity Photo will center the zoom around that point, making navigation feel natural and precise. You can also use the on-screen tools if you like a more visual approach. In the left toolbar, click the Zoom tool, which looks like a magnifying glass. With the Zoom tool active, simply click on the image to zoom in. If you need to step back out, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and click to zoom out. This method is especially helpful when you want to target a specific part of the image without memorizing shortcuts. Finally, everything related to zoom is also available in the menu. Go to View, then choose Zoom, and you'll find the zoom options there. This is reliable if you're still learning the shortcuts or prefer using menus for repeatable commands. Whichever method you choose, remember the anchors. Ctrl or CMD, plus and minus for quick changes, 0 to fit to screen, and 1 for actual pixels. Master these, and navigating your project becomes effortless.